Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best spades that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Spades. A spade is an essential part of your garden equipment, can help with a variety of tasks, from digging and shoveling soil, to defining border edges. There are different types of spade, and depending on the task at hand, you might choose a shovel with a longer, more curved blade perfect for digging, scooping and lifting soil, or a spade with a sharp, flat edge better for edging and cutting in. Number 5. DeWit Perennial Spade with Short Handle. Crafted from hardened boron steel that has been heat-treated for strength, the Perennial Spade is the perfect long-lasting addition. The strong make this tool easy to use time and time. Main features: lifetime durability, lightweight material, made in Holland. Number 4. Bully Tools 82535 12-gauge 14-inch drain spade. Bully Tools fiberglass spades utilize a triple wall. Great for homeowners and contractors with the added comfort of a fiberglass handle. Main features: thick 12-gauge steel blade. Limited lifetime warranty. Made in USA. Number 3. Berry&Bird Stainless Steel Digging Spade. Hardwood handle is controlled by both hands, providing comfortable and firm grip, can firmly cut through hardened surfaces. Designed for efficient mobility and lifting. Main features: 100% satisfied guarantee. Strong D-grip. Wide application. Number 2. Spearhead Spade Gardening Shovel with 2 cushion grips. All Spearhead Spade blades are designed from the ground up to handle your most difficult digging situations. The blade profile is so special and effective. Main features: strong shovel handle. Multi-purpose shovel. Extra leverage. Number 1. Nupla SS14L Ergo Power Sharpshooter's Drain Spade. The tip is used for digging in precise locations. It has a heavy 16-gauge steel blade for strength and durability with a hollow back. Main for Taurus. Heavy 16-gauge steel blade. 48 inches handle fiberglass. Strength and durability. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.